It's that spooky time of the year again! Join me as we transform our home into the ultimate haunted haven using the best Amazon Halloween decors of 2025. From creepy lights to eerie human figures and ghostly wall art, these finds will make your house the talk of the neighborhood. So grab your pumpkin spice latte, sit back, and let's get decorating Halloween style. 7 feet Halloween willow tree with spiders. Amazon's most viral Halloween decoration right now, and trust me, you need this. This 7 feet Halloween willow tree with spiders instantly turns your home into a spooky masterpiece. The glowing purple LED lights, bendable branches, and creepy cobwebs make it look straight out of a haunted movie scene. Tired of boring Halloween setups? This one's bold, eerie, and totally Insta-worthy. It's heavy-duty, easy to assemble, and even comes with spiders for that perfect scary touch. Don't miss out, it's selling fast this week. Check the link in the description before it's gone! Spooky Ghost Halloween Decor with Witch Broom Amazon Halloween find you cannot skip this year. This Spooky Ghost Halloween Decor with Witch Broom is the perfect mix of creepy and cute. It lights up, waves in the wind, and totally transforms your yard in seconds. Tired of boring Halloween decorations? This one glows with LED lights on a timer, has a realistic witch broom, and looks like a ghost floating right off a movie set. It's weatherproof, easy to set up, and instantly gives your home that haunted Halloween vibe. Don't wait, these sell out fast every October, links in the description below. Halloween Christmas Laser Lights Projector Outdoor with 4 dynamic slides, Amazon products you need before the holidays hit. This one turns your whole house into a light show without tangled wires or any setup stress. Halloween Christmas Laser Lights Projector Outdoor with 4 dynamic slides is a total game changer. It projects colorful laser patterns of Santa, skulls, fireworks, and stars all from one small device. No more wasting hours hanging lights that fall off or stop working. Just stick it in your yard or place it on your porch and watch your home light up. It's weatherproof, remote controlled, and even has a timer. Don't wait, the link's in the description, grab it before it sells out. Black Cat Halloween Decorations Outdoor. Amazon products you need this Halloween. If you love cats or know someone who does, this is the perfect outdoor decoration. This Black Cat Halloween Decorations Outdoor light adds the perfect spooky yet charming vibe to your garden. Forget plugging in wires or paying for extra electricity. It's solar powered and automatically lights up at night. Made from rust-proof metal with a sturdy base, it won't fall over, even on windy nights. It's waterproof, durable, and makes an amazing gift for any cat lover. Don't wait, check the link in the description or comment before it sells out. Halloween Spider Giant. Amazon products you need for Halloween, this one's guaranteed to freak out your neighbors. This Halloween Spider Giant comes with a massive 5.7-foot web and glowing red eyes that look terrifying at night. No messy plugs or wires, it runs on batteries, so you can place it anywhere. The legs bend easily, making it perfect for doors, windows, fences, or even your porch. With 8 spooky lighting modes, it instantly turns your home into a haunted scene. It's realistic, creepy, and super easy to set up. Don't wait, grab yours now. Link in the description or comment before it sells out. Solar Lights Outdoor Halloween Decorations. Amazon products you need this Halloween. These solar flame lights will make your yard look insane. This Solar Lights Outdoor Halloween decorations flicker like real fire, giving off that cozy, dancing flame vibe without the danger. No wires, no electricity, just pure solar power that charges during the day and lights up all night. They're waterproof, weather-resistant, and take less than 10 seconds to set up, perfect for Halloween parties, patios, or cozy backyard nights. Trust me, once you see them glow, you'll want more. Don't wait, links in the description, and comment before they sell out. Light Up Ghost Halloween Decor, Amazon products you need. This Halloween, these little ceramic ghosts are going viral for a reason. This Light Up Ghost Halloween Decor comes in a set of 3 adorable ghosts with different poses, all made from high-quality ceramic that looks amazing on any table or shelf. Forget boring Halloween decor, these add that cute yet spooky vibe that makes everyone smile. Perfect for parties, Thanksgiving, or just cozy fall nights at home. Kids and adults love them. Don't wait too long, these are selling fast. Grab yours now, links in the description, and comment before they're gone. Halloween Projector Lights Outdoor. Amazon products you need for Halloween. This one turns your house into a real haunted show. This Halloween Projector Lights Outdoor projects 3D moving ghosts that look so real it'll freak out your neighbors. Forget static decor, this thing moves, glows, and fills your yard with HD spooky vibes. It's waterproof, adjustable up to 270 degrees, and works perfectly indoors or outdoors. Just plug it in, pick your angle, and watch the ghosts come alive on your wall, garden, or windows. Don't wait too long, these sell out every October. Grab yours now, links in the description, and comment below. Dynamic Giant Spider Halloween. Amazon products you need this Halloween. If you want your yard to be the scariest on the block, this one's insane. This dynamic giant spider Halloween decoration turns your home into a spooky nightmare zone. The 16-foot glowing spider web and 48-inch giant spider with red eyes looks so real it'll freak out anyone walking by. Tired of boring static decorations? This one comes with a 3D dynamic spider projector. Yeah, a moving red spider crawling across your wall. Plus 8 lighting modes, remote control, and waterproof design for easy setup indoors or out. Don't wait, it's selling fast. Grab yours from the link below. Inflatables, outdoor decorations, pumpkin spider build, Amazon products, you can't miss this Halloween. If you want your yard to stand out this year, this one's absolutely wild. This Inflatables outdoor decorations pumpkin spider build is a 5-foot-tall mix of pumpkin and spider that instantly becomes the centerpiece of your yard. It's made from durable, waterproof fabric, super easy to set up, and comes with everything you need to keep it steady. The glowing red eyes and bright LED lights make it look alive at night, creepy in the best way possible. Don't wait till it's sold out, grab yours now from the link in the description below. Aliens and UFO Build, Amazon products you need this Halloween. Forget the usual pumpkins, this one looks like it just landed from outer space. This Aliens and UFO Build is a 5-foot inflatable that instantly becomes the star of your yard. With bright LED lights and a glowing spaceship design, it literally looks like an alien invasion happening right outside your house. It's waterproof, super durable, and easy to hang anywhere porch, yard, or window. If you want something unique that everyone will stop to stare at, grab it now. The link's in the description before it sells out. Pumpkin Octopus Tentacles Build, Amazon products you need. This Halloween, this one's totally wild. This Pumpkin Octopus Tentacles Build is a massive 12-foot inflatable that looks like a pumpkin monster crawling over your roof or windows. It's bright, creepy, and impossible to miss. Seriously, your neighbors won't stop talking about it. With 19 LED lights and durable waterproof fabric, it glows all night long and stands up to wind or rain. Easy to install with ropes and suction cups, no stress, just pure spooky vibes. Don't wait, this one's selling fast. Grab yours now, link in the description before it's gone. Black Halloween flameless candles with remote. Amazon bestsellers, you need this Halloween, and this one's seriously cool. This Black Halloween flameless candle set with remote turns any space into spooky luxury. Real wax, warm white glow, and that flickering flame looks so real you'll forget it's battery powered. No smoke, no mess, no fire hazard, perfect if you've got pets or kids running around. And with the remote, you can switch the mood in seconds. Trust me, these make your Halloween decor go from basic to beautiful instantly. They're selling out fast, grab yours from the link below before it's gone. Halloween snow globe. Amazon finds you need this Halloween. If you love spooky but elegant decor, this one's gonna blow your mind. This Halloween snow globe features a hand-painted skeleton wedding couple that literally lights up your room with glitter and ghostly vibes. It's classy, creepy, and romantic all at once, perfect for Halloween or even Day of the Dead displays. It also comes with a built-in 6-hour timer, so you never have to remember to turn it off. Seriously, this piece makes your space magically haunting. Grab it now, links in the description before it's gone. 4-pack Halloween bunting flags, Amazon products you need before Halloween hits. If your porch or yard still looks plain, this is the fastest way to fix it. This 4-pack Halloween bunting flags instantly transforms your home with spooky black and orange pleated fans that scream Halloween vibes. They're made from weather-resistant polyester, double-sided printed, and super easy to hang anywhere. Fences, walls, porches, you name it. No more boring decorations, this adds that beautiful, festive look everyone loves. Don't wait till they're gone, grab yours now, links in the description or comment below. Halloween Ghost Mirror. Amazon products, you can't skip this Halloween. If you want something that actually creeps people out, this one's insane. This Halloween ghost mirror looks like a normal mirror until a ghostly face slowly appears inside like it's trapped behind the glass. It's USB powered, super easy to use, and you can hang it or place it on a table. Perfect for hallways, porches, or haunted house setups, and the eerie glow makes it even scarier at night. Grab it now before Halloween rush hits, links in the description and comment below. Light solar outdoor hanging lanterns. Amazon products you didn't know you needed for your backyard. This light solar outdoor hanging lantern is pure magic handmade blue mosaic glass that glows like a piece of art when the sun goes down. Tired of boring garden lights that barely shine? This one charges during the day and lights up for over 8 hours at night. No cords, no hassle, just beautiful vibes. Rain or shine, it keeps glowing. Perfect for patios, porches, or even even indoors near a sunny window. They're selling fast. Check the link in the description and grab yours before it's gone. Fall Thanksgiving Pumpkin Decor Figurines. Amazon finds you need this fall, and this one's seriously stunning. This Fall Thanksgiving Pumpkin Decor Figurine set is pure elegance. White and gold resin pumpkins that look classy, modern, and instantly upgrade your home decor. Tired of the same old orange pumpkins? These are different glossy gold details, hand-painted dots, and a luxurious finish that feels straight out of a designer catalog. They're durable, won't fade or break, and make the perfect centerpiece or gift for the season. They're selling fast. Check the link in the description and grab yours before they're gone. Glow-in-the-dark blanket gifts. Amazon products you need this Halloween. This one's a total hit with kids. This glow-in-the-dark blanket gifts is cozy, fun, and seriously magical. It's covered in spooky pumpkins, bats, and cats that actually glow at night after a little sunlight. Forget boring blankets. This one makes bedtime exciting and keeps kids warm, comfy, and happy. It's super soft, lightweight, and machine washable too. Perfect for Halloween, Christmas, or birthdays. Trust me, kids go crazy for it. It's selling out fast. Check the link in the description and grab yours before it's gone. Ceramic ghost decor. Amazon products you need for Halloween, and these little ghosts are stealing the show. This ceramic ghost decor set comes with 3 adorable LED ghosts, each with its own spooky cute expression that lights up your space with a warm glow. Forget messy decorations or plugins. These run on batteries, so you can place them anywhere on your table, shelf, or mantle. They're durable, high quality, and add the perfect touch of Halloween charm without the scare. They're selling fast. Check the link in the description and grab your glowing ghost trio before they disappear.